Hey guys, so I'm actually stealing more code from Learn OpenGL. What I want to do, let me show you. Oops, let me show you what I want to do. Is I want to actually get the GUI to move when I hit the mouse button. So this is just a static GUI, which doesn't really. I mean, it'll work, but I want the GUI to move. So so anyways, I'm looking at this particular mouse. And this program uses the mouse is what I'm trying to say. Can't talk. Sorry, I had a little bit of drink last night. And so basically I'm just going to put it inside of the function here. Mouse button callback. Okay. And I thought I would let you see just how I did this as I do it. I don't claim to be working a miracle here. I'm just working through this problem. And I realize my code's a little bit messy as well. Because I'm still kind of I wouldn't say I'm a novice programmer. I would say I'm possibly a intermediate, not advanced. I'm not an advanced programmer, I wouldn't say. But anyways, okay, where am I at? Okay, so we have last X, last Y, first mouse, delta time, last frame. I don't know if I need those, but let's see. So the mouse, so it doesn't use the last, doesn't use the time. It just calculates an offset based on last X and last Y. So we don't need no education. So we probably don't need delta time, last frame. I think that's used for something else. Okay. So last X, last Y. Okay, so in our mouse callback, offset. Okay, so what do I currently do in the mouse callback? Useful mouse. Oh, so right here we can put it right inside there. So, and we have the Boolean first mouse. So if first mouse, huh? I'm just going to copy this verbatim over to the mouse callback function so that it will work. We don't need no education. Oh, I see in the offset. Okay, so actually what I want to do, hold up. Last X, isn't that OpenGL? Last X. Computer, don't toy with me here. Great. First mouse. All right. And this might be a clumsy way of doing it. I have no idea, really, as far as the best programming practice. Okay, X offset and Y offset. Right, so just excuse me. Yo. Okay. Computer, what's the... Oh, that's right. Duh. These are not OpenGL. Those are the parameters. What was I thinking? You weren't. Okay, so when the mouse moves, you get your X position and Y position that goes through here. And then if it's the first time the mouse is moved, then the last X is set equal to the position that it's in. and then this variable is set to false, and you'll never enter this code again. So this is only executed once. Okay. OpenGL x offset equals x position minus the last position. Y offset equals OpenGL last y minus the y position, which is nice reverse there. That's smart. Smart way to go. Okay, so now what we can do is last x. Okay, so these are the variables we want to use in my button callback thing. So when they hit the right button on the mouse, let's make sure this compiles and everything. I didn't screw anything up. Uh-oh, what was all these? Conversion from double to float. Where was it? Oh, is it the same? Oh, yes. Right. Good old buddy. X pos and Y pos. It's fine. It's fine. We're gonna do this. We're doing this. We got it. You know what? We got it. There. Is everybody happy now? Y'all happy down there? Good. Good. We're all happy down there now. Just did a little bit of typecasting and we're good. We're good. Okay. Sorry, I'm being silly. I had a little bit to drink last night. I was up kind of late. I'm just now getting to where my stomach's not completely upset with me. Thank the Lord for craft beer. That's all I got to say. Okay, so when the right button the right button is pressed, I'm not going to check for if the GUI is being pressed. If the mouse is over the GUI, I'm just going to say that as soon as you hit that, let's go with the left button. As soon as you hit that button, then it's going to actually do this. So, okay, so we want to go to the triangle list init. Where are we at? Right here. Okay, so add point 1. Okay, so 1, and then it throws this in. 1, and it throws that in. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. And then where's my... it's been so long since I've done this, I need to actually refresh. Okay, so what we want to affect, and we want to move is all of these. There's a total of 6. There's 12 points. So it's the first 12 points we're looking to change the X and Y, not the RGBA size type or whatever. Okay, so I can do that. You know what? I can do that. Or wait, we're not going to do it in here. We should. We really should. What we should do then is just go right here. So triangle list init. Let's call a function. Let me call a function. Triangle list, we're going to call move. So we're going to actually make a new function. And we're going to call it right there. And we're going to put a semicolon so that it doesn't think that that's strange. And then we're actually going to create it so it doesn't think that's strange. So void basic triangle list move. Great! It looks great so far. You're doing great. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just in a weird mood. Triangle list init. I don't know why I'm doing this today. I mean, I just haven't thought of programming for a while. So that'll execute. Now we need to go down to where I was just at making. Where is it at? Oh, good. Thank you. Except for this should be move. All right, everything should be fine now. Now we just got to create our move function. So we're just going to go for, hold up. Okay, so each one, see, I love, we're working right next to the add point function right there. Thank you, Mr. Add Point function, for being so close and wonderful, really wonderful, actually. So far, index plus. So we're not going to worry about that. We're just going to do the first 12. So we're going to go, I times 9. Is that right? I times 9. and then we're going to use the parentheses. And the first one we're going to do is +0, that's the x. So we're just going to add x offset. Now what's the issue? Is there some kind of a semicolon missing or something? Come on. Okay. That'll do it, folks. Pretty sure that's going to do it. Huh. If this works. Identifier not found. What identifier? Oh. Uh-oh. Did I spell it wrong? Triangle list underscore move. Oh, right, I'm not in the thing I need to call OpenGL. Does that work now? Am I calling the function correctly? I forget. Hyperspace. Okay, so now I hit the left button and nothing happens. So why didn't it work? I don't know. So mouse button, callback, window button, action. Mouse button left and action equals pressed, then it calls that, and then it didn't do it. It didn't do it. Okay, so my question is why didn't it do it? I times 9. Doesn't this one do an I times 9 kind of thing? Yeah. X offset, isn't that? Dun 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 dun. Gia pet. Why didn't it work? Okay, why don't we do this for now? There. We'll just make it equal to the last location of the mouse. Because what one did... Hold on. Points move. Because I got that other one to... Alright, hold on. Let's see what this does. Hold on. Stop. Go away. No, so it's just not... Maybe it's just not recognizing the mouse button thing. But here, useful mouse. Okay. Oh, here it is right here, actually. What does it set it equal to? God, I can't even focus right now. Can't even concentrate. Oh, this. Exposition. Oh, because I didn't do this. I bet you that's why. Hold up. So we need this right here. And this right here. And then this might actually work the other way. Pet. So X offset. So we're still working with those to see which one will work here. Last X, last Y. Question is, I don't really know if it's actually registering that the button was pressed. Oh, I want to know whether this code works. I kind of don't really care if it's... Maybe it's in here. Maybe it isn't recognizing the mouse button callback. Did I even... Mouse button callback. Why not? Why not? Why not? Let's do something. And now it's time for something completely different. Key callback. So where's that process input function? Where did that go? Oh, it's in here. Fidget's down at the bottom here. Yeah. So okay. Well, let's just add another key. I forgot we're inside the class. Pardon me. Excuse me. Pardon me. Can I get through here? Okay. Now you're just moving along. Everything's fine. Everything is fine. Then you hit F. No, so it's not liking the code actually. So it may actually be triggering with the mouse button, but it's not liking that code. Triangle list move. So what did I do wrong there? What's not working? 0 to there. Plus equals. Well, let's try this then if you don't want to. 0.001. I don't know. I just want the thing to move. It won't. It's not. I'm hitting the F and it's not. So what am I doing wrong here? Add point. All right, hold on. So triangle list init add point number 1. That's what I'm sending in. Add point index 1. All right. Well, this is getting frustrating. So taking a break. Taking a break. I'll be back.